ये क्राइम ब्रांच ने एक अंतर्राष्ट्रीय ऑर्गन ट्रांसप्लांट रैकेट को भी बस्ट किया है, जिसमें 7 लोग गिरफ्तार हुए हैं। इसमें मास्टरमाइंड बांग्लादेशी नेशनल्स थे, जो कि जिसमें कि पेशेंट भी बांग्लादेशी होता था और डोनर भी बांग्लादेशी होता था। तो इसमें एक रसेल नाम का जो इनका मास्टरमाइंड था, जो बांग्लादेश से पेशेंट लाता था और डोनर अरेंज करता था, उसको गिरफ्तार किया गया। और साथ ही में इसके साथ जो हॉस्पिटल में डॉक्टर इन्वॉल्व थे और उनका स्टाफ, उनकी भी गिरफ्तारी की गई है। डॉक्टर हाँ, उनका पूरा रोल है कि उनको पता था कि ये ब्लड रिलेशन में नहीं थे और फिर भी वो उसकी सर्जरी कर रहे थे और उसमें पूरा उनका कॉन्स्पिरेसी आई है।
सर क्या लोग ये हॉस्पिटल में ही करते थे ट्रांसप्लांट के लिए?
हाँ जी, हॉस्पिटल
में।
The Indian market have not just grown, they've broken several records in the last 25 years.
India's contribution to incremental global GDP was as low as 0.2% 25 years ago.
Over the last 25 years, CNBC TV18 has closely followed the remarkable ascent of India's pharmaceutical sector.
There was a time 25 years back that it was all about the FIIs. If FIIs would buy, markets would rally. If FIIs would sell, market would fall.
Earlier, we were net importers of steel.
From IT services to SaaS, from consumer electronics to space tech, from mere programming to AI ML.
Cars, two-wheelers, three-wheelers, commercial vehicles have significantly become much more expensive than they were 2 decades ago.
Discounting is high there, but their focus is squarely on the 125cc segment.
Now it is contributing 16% of incremental global GDP.
Now we are looking at exporting the steel that's made here in India.
Welcome to the first ever India Business Leader Awards.
Cars, two-wheelers and vehicles generally being manufactured today are much lower on emissions and much higher on safety.
India's technology industry has been at the forefront of cutting-edge innovation over the last 25 years.
It's the retail which is the driving force for the market right now.
Clearly, we have arrived on the global economic stage.
Great way to celebrate our own 25th year with new milestones being achieved on the Lal Street.
21 years of the Nifty from 1,000 to 10,000 today.
Sensex and Nifty hit a record high.
The Nifty rallying to a record high. We invite you to join us as we persist in leading coverage of the pharmaceutical and healthcare domain, documenting India's expanding expertise in medicines.
25 years of excellence and unparalleled growth.
CNBC TV18, embarking on a quarter century of excellence.